Hello, good morning students. Today we will learn how to find of area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. We already know if we want to find the area of any triangle, if all three sides given A, B, C. We are discussing a general case. Suppose side are A, B, C. So we will apply Hero's formulas. Suppose if in any questions triangle is given is equilateral. Equilateral means a triangle whose all three sides are equal. Let side are A. So we are discussing a general case. In spite of 7, it is also a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Maybe 6, 5, and also we are discussing here general case A, ABC. ABC is a triangle. Find its area. So we will find its area by Hero's formula. First always we will find semi-perimeter. So first semi-perimeter of equilateral triangle. So right, semi-perimeter of triangle. How much? What is semi-perimeter? Sum of all three sides. A plus A divided by 2. Yes. A plus A 2A. 2A plus A 3A. 3A divided by 2. So what is semi-perimeter? 3A divided by 2. Now apply. So by Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Area of triangle S minus first side, S minus second side, S minus third side. Now we will find to write area of triangle ABC. How much? Area of triangle S minus first side. What is first side? A. S minus second side. Yes, S we already find. What is S? Put the value of S. S is 3A divided by 2 into 3A divided by 2 minus A. 3A divided by 2 minus A. 3A divided by 2 minus A. It is. Now we will solve this one. What is 3A divided by 2? Yes. Two fraction. How can we solve? By taking LCM. What is LCM? 2 is LCM. 2 divided by 2. What is even? 3A minus 2A. So here is also 3A minus 2A divided by 2. Here is also 3A minus 2A divided by 2. Understand? Note down it. Next is area of a triangle. Now what is remain? 3A divided by 2. Multiply 3A minus 2A, A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. Now make pairs. Yes, what is remain? A by 2, A by 2. And it is also 3A by 2. Here is also A by 2, A by 2. A by 2 into A by 2 come outside. So it is A by 2. Again A by 2, A by 2. Inside what is remain? Root 3. So it is become A into A square. So root 3 into A square divided by 2 into 2 into 4. So it is the formula of equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 4 A square. A mean A is side. So you can write root 3 by 4 A square. A is side. So side square. Understand? What we will write? Root 3 by 4 multiply side square. So it is, remember always this formula. It is the, if you want to solve any question in a very less time, so we can use, and triangle is given a equilateral triangle, so we can use of this formula, root 3 by 4 into side square. So we discussed here a general case, and in last we find answer root 3 by 4 into side square is always area of equilateral triangle. Suppose it is given. Do you understand? First we find here semi-perimeter S. A plus A plus A, 3A divide by 2 and put the value of S and all three side in formulas, and in last this one. Understand? देखो A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, A by 2 pairs come outside A by 2. 3 multiply A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, A by 2 again pair A by, come outside, and inside what is remain? Root 3, and it is become this. Suppose find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So it is a which type of triangle? Equilateral triangle. So finding its area. So write area of equilateral triangle. We will write root 3 divide into side square. First we write always formula, then root 3 by 4 multiply 6 square. So root 3 upon 4, 36, 4, 9. So what is answer? 9 multiply root 3 centimeter square. Easy or not? Understand? Isn't it? Maybe everyone has got it. So area of equilateral triangle formula always remember root 3 divided by 4 side square. If you don't have remember this formula, we can find the area of a triangle, any triangle, by Hero's formula. But it is the shortcut of Hero's formula. If triangle is given equilateral, this formula is used in only in equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle we can find by three method. By Hero's formula, by this formula, and second is 1 by 2 base into height. Understand? Next is, now we will discuss when triangle is given isosceles. What is isosceles? So look at area of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? A triangle whose two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal, and so it means suppose it is A. Two sides are equal, and third side suppose B. Understand? Now we will find its area, and area of triangle always how we will find? First we will find S. S mean semi-perimeter, and semi-perimeter how we will find? Sum of all three sides divided by 2. So what is remain? A plus A, 2A plus B divided by 2. Understand? It is now area. So area of triangle formula, Hero's formula. Apply here Hero's formula. S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C, third side. So what is? So here we write S. S is how much? 2A plus B divided by 2. Next, semi-perimeter minus first side. So 2A plus B divided by 2 minus first side A. Again 2A plus B divided by 2 minus second side is also A. Next, third side 2A plus B divided by 2 minus third side minus B. Now area of triangle we will write area of triangle. Yes, what is? So this one we can write 2A plus B divided by 2. Now fraction how can we solve? Taking LCM. LCM is 2. 2 divided by 2, 2. Now 1, 2A plus B. Now minus 2A. Same as it is here. 2A plus B minus 2A divided by 2. Next is taking 2 LCM. 2, 2A plus b minus 2b. Next, 2a plus b divided by 2. What is remain? 2a minus 2a, 0. What is remain? b divided by 2. 2a minus 2a, 0. What is remain? b by 2. Here is remain 2a, like term, finding like term. 2a plus b, b and minus 2b, like term. So 2a minus b divided by 2. Understand? Now what is remain? Pairs, b by 2 pairs come outside, b by 2. Inside bracket 2a plus b divided by 2. 2a minus b divided by 2. Now, how will we solve next? b by 2 under the root. Now, which one formula? How will you open? Yes, a plus b, a minus b in multiply. Both are in multiplication. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b into a minus b formula equal to a square minus b square. So a square, 2a square. 2a square minus second number square minus b square. Divide by 2 into 2, 4. Understand? Now next step, divide by b divided by 2. Now what is remain? 2a square, 2 square, 4, a square, 4a square minus b square. Divide by under the root 4. Next, only one step is left now. I am rubbing this one, perimeter. So now it is remain, yes, what is area? B divided by 2. Now, and I am writing this one, 4a square minus b square divided by 4. Now, what is what we can write outside? Yes, it is 4 in numerator. What is 4? So 4 come outside. Square root of 4, 2. So b divided by 2 already here, and 2, and under the root 4a square minus b square. Some students are thinking, sir, why we are not writing 4 outside? Because 4a square, it is here in minus. If all numbers are in multiplication, 36 into 6, then we can write square root of 36 is 6 outside. Understand or not? If they are in minus, we cannot write 36 minus 7. 36 square root 6 and under the root 7. No, it is wrong. It is here in minus, because 36 minus 7, 29. And 29 square root we don't know. So if plus minus is given, we cannot write in this one outside. Understand? Very good. So what is the area of equilateral triangle? So it is become b, 2 into 2, 4. So what is formula? Formula is b divided by 4 into 4a square minus b square. And b is what? Base, unequal side. Equal side are a, and unequal side and b. So b divided by 4. Do you understand? So check it again. S minus a, s minus a, s minus b. Third side. So in last we will find what is formula? b divided by 4, base divided by 4 under the root 4 into a square minus b square. Understand? So we are finding one question. Find the area of a triangle. So by this formula, if in isosceles triangle is given, we can use this formula. What is? Suppose 6, 6, 6. Find the area of isosceles triangle whose side are 6, 6 and whose base is 7 and each of equal side is 6. So finding area. So what is area of triangle? So area of triangle, what is? b divided by 4 under the root 4a square minus b square. So b is base, unequal side. b 7 divided by 4 under the root 4 a square. A is 6 square minus b square, 7 square. Now what is remain? 7 divided by 4 under the root 4 into 36 minus 49. 7 divided by 4. 4 into 36, 144 minus 49. So what is remain? 7 divided by 4, 114 minus 49. What is remain? Root 95. So it is the area. Unit square. Because always area in centimeter square, meter square. 7 divided by 4 under the root 95. So remember these two formula. Area of equilateral triangle, area of isosceles triangle. Understand? So same as it is in our in exercise 12.1. Also, first question is also a equilateral triangle. Read everyone first question one time. So first I am writing here formula. Area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 into side square. So these formulae we always remember. Then we can use. Then we can solve the question is very fast. So now area of isosceles triangle. What is B divided by 4? B, you understand? Unequal side. B and 4A square minus B square. It is. Understand? So in first question what is given? A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. Side is A. Side is A. Understand? And its perimeter. Finding the area of this triangle using Hero's formula. If its perimeter is 180. Perimeter is 180. It means A plus A is 180. So it means 3A divided by 180. 3 multiply another side divide. So A is 60. So what is side? 60. So area of equilateral triangle root 3 divided by, so 60. It is also 60 into side square. 60 square. So root 3 by 4 into this one 4900. So what is area? 900 into root 3 centimeter square. So if you apply any formula, answer will become same. Either you use Hero's formula, either you will use 1 by 2 base into height, or you will find area of equilateral triangle formula. Understand? Now I am giving you some questions and you solve yourself. So everyone remember these two formula. So first question is, find the area of equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 200 centimeter and find the area of equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 200 centimeter. Next, find the area of a triangle whose each of equal sides are 8 centimeter and base is 10 centimeter. Find the area of a triangle whose each of equal sides are 8 centimeter and base is 10. It means two equal sides, 8, each of equal sides and base is 10. Find its area. Understand? Next, one more. find the area of triangle whose sides are in the ratio of 1:1:1 and its perimeter is 30 centimeter. Understand? Finding the area of a triangle whose sides are in ratio of 1:1 into and perimeter of triangle is 30 centimeter. Understand? One more question, right, everyone? Fourth question. A park in the shape of triangle. A park in the shape of a triangle in which a gardener want to lie grass on its field. Understand? And its perimeter is 120 meter. One is 120 meter. The two equal sides of park is each of two equal sides of park is 50 meter. Find the total cost of grass if cost of grass is 10 per meter square. A park in the shape of a triangle in which a gardener want to lie grass on its field and its perimeter of triangle is 120 meter. The each of two equal side is of park is 50 meter. Now find the total cost of a grass if the cost of grass is 10 rupees per meter square. 10 rupees per meter square. To everyone, solve these all four questions and take a problem from this chapter. Tomorrow again I will give you some more questions to solve. Everyone, have a nice day. Thank you.